Why MRIs are the key to getting your long-term disability benefits for multiple sclerosis. Disability insurance companies often require objective proof of the disabling diagnosis, even if the actual policy or plan doesn't specifically require it. Now, I know undergoing an MRI is never pleasant, but an MRI will play a crucial role in not only diagnosing but monitoring the progression of your multiple sclerosis. An MRI is the gold standard test for MS because it shows subtle changes in the disease activity that are not observable with other testing like X-rays or CT scans. The MRI is going to show not only the presence of a lesion, but whether it is actively demyelinating. MS damages the fatty myelin layer that protects nerve cells from water. As a result, the MRI is going to see the water that's the result of the myelin being stripped by the MS. Since it's a non-invasive test and the basis for the MS diagnosis, the disability carrier will want to see that you've undergone the MRI and the results of that MRI. Additionally, once you're on diary or claim and being paid benefits, the disability carrier is going to expect you to undergo additional MRIs as recommended by your doctor. The disability carrier is always interested in the status of your MS. Now, MRIs are also helpful in relapsing and remitting MS cases. I know that it's hard to win an MS case in the early stages because of the inconclusive MRIs or the lack of objective basis for your symptoms and the restrictions and limitations assigned by your doctor. Now, as I've said, the carrier is always monitoring your case for signs of change, improvement, or stability, and that can be problematic in relapsing and remitting MS. Once the carrier sees that you're in remission, they are tempted to terminate your benefits because they assume that you can work while in remission. Now, that might be true, but I will tell you most of the time it's because your symptoms continue to develop and disable you. As a result, you need to keep a diary of the symptoms to document how those symptoms impact your ability to work or do things around the house. You might have vision issues, problems with concentration, or difficulties with balance and coordination. Regardless of your symptoms, documentation is the key, even if you're in remission. Remission doesn't equate to an ability to work. Now, as your symptoms increase or change, it's also crucial that you give your doctor this diary and you send the carrier a copy. But be careful. You want to make sure that your activity of daily living forms, your medical records, and your diary is consistent. And please, please don't exaggerate your symptoms. Don't forget that as your periods of remission get shorter or your symptoms increase, that MRI can help objectively document the progression of the disease. Why should you contact my office for assistance in your MS claim? Well, I represent people across the United States with MS. I focus on disability claims because of the fact that my dad became disabled when I was growing up. And I love to bring to an MS case my passion for getting my clients the disability benefits they deserve. I understand MS, I understand what you're going through, and I'm here to help you get the disability insurance benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States. Call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.